On the 12/12/2024, I ordered for this on Jumia online store, and it was delivered yesterday. Though I've not unboxed this, we are going to be unboxing it together in this video, and I pray it is not what I ordered versus what I got, and as well it is not all the reviews I read under the product page. It is not a misinformation of what the product is exactly is. So yeah, in this video I will be we will be unboxing this together, and we are going to be checking into the package. So let's look into what the package really contains of. So yeah, this is so yeah this is a wireless a Bluetooth earpod. Actually the earpod which I ordered on Jumia. So let's check, let's unbox this. So yeah this is what we have inside. We have a earpod case. Yeah, we have a earpod case like this, and this can be opened. On the earpod case we have a charging port, and the USB port for charging. So this can work as a power bank. If you want to charge, you can charge anything from the earpod case, and as well you can charge the keys using the charging port. So yeah, we have the two we have the two yeah we have the two year we have this which is to be inserted into the ear. Oh, sorry, we have this which will be inserted into the ear, and we have the second one as well. So like this, we have all this. So yeah, and here we have we have the manual for the product. The manual for the product is here, and as well we have the ear tips, the year we have this, we have extra tool which can be used in case this is bigger. We have it bigger, we have it in bigger size, we have it in smaller size. In case of the in case if the year is not bigger, or if it is smaller, you can use any of the ones you like. If you want to use the smaller one, in case the size of your the size your ear can fit in with, so you can use this. We have the charger, we have the manual. So in 2-3 days I'm going to be using this, if it really worth the price I got it for, and I'm going to be coming back to give you the full review if this product worth getting it at the price I got it for. Until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching.